It is a quiet afternoon. I love reading. I hear a big truck. Is it for me? Yes! The delivery van is here! The doorbell is ringing. My package arrived. I must unlock the door first. There it is, a brown cardboard box. I will pick it up carefully. Goofy! Woo! It is not too heavy. It is light. Close the door. Keep the cold air out. I am so excited! I bought this online. Sit here on the table. Safe and sound. I check the label. Yes, it is my name. I hear something inside. No broken sounds. I cannot open it with my hands. It is stuck. The tape is very strong. I need scissors. I keep my tools in this drawer. Here are the scissors. They are sharp. Be careful with sharp things. Walk slowly. I will cut the tape right here. Slice. The tape opens easily now. The box is open. Let's see inside. Open wide. Oh, what do I see? It is covered in bubble wrap. For protection. I will lift it out. It is a round shape. Move the box away. I need space. More tape. I must peel it off. Round and round. Unwrapping is fun. Wow, look at my new vase. It is blue. It is smooth and shiny. Very pretty. I am checking for cracks. No damage. The bottom is clean. Good quality. This is the receipt. It shows the price. I will keep this paper safe. Pop! Ooh. I like the sound of bubble wrap. Time to clean up. Do not leave a mess. Push down. Now it is flat. I recycle cardboard. It is good for Earth. Goodbye, box. Thank you for the delivery. plastic goes in the trash can. Now, where should I put my vase? Maybe on the shelf? Let's try it. I put it here. It looks elegant. It looks a little lonely. A vase needs flowers. Do I have any? I have dried flowers. They are yellow. Rose holes. I will use these. They last a long time. Blue and yellow match well. In you go. Stand up tall. Fix this one. Now it is perfect. My living room looks beautiful now. I am Thunjal. I am happy with my purchase. Boxes are dusty. I wash my hands. Dry and clean. That feels better. Unboxing is work. I want some tea. Fill the kettle. Boil the water. Waiting is boring, but tea is tasty. Hot steam rising. Careful, do not burn. Back to my comfortable chair. It is nice to sit down. Whoa, I can see the vase from here. The tea is warm. Just like my sweater. Click. I will show my friend. It is a good picture. Very clear. No more technology. Time to relax. Where was I? Page 10. Reading is the best hobby. The sun is going down. Evening is coming. I am sleepy. It is cozy here. Enough reading. Just rest now. I really like my new vase. Good night, world. What a nice day.